Hey YouTube, welcome back. Here we got another repair video for you guys. Here we have an extractor. This is the Betco Fiber Pro 8. One of the complaints we've been having is it's not sucking up water. What we have found out is there's a hose in here that connects up to the vacuum. And what happens, it's not connected all the way in here. So got to take off this top part, throw it back a little bit and see what's going on there. We don't know if it's ripped or just got disconnected, but let's go ahead and start and check it out. First, let's go ahead and get the water out of the system. Just gonna bend it back here with this. Let that sit there for a little bit. While that's going, we can just go ahead and take our top tank off right here. Okay, so to bend this back, it's not very hard at all. You just have two 7/16 screws over here. Should be one here. And one over here. As soon as you get those two out, you should simply just be able to lift it. And I can already see our issue. Okay, so very easily, we'll just kind of back out the clamp a little bit. Then from here, just go ahead and put it back in. All right, after some struggling, I just ended up grabbing a screwdriver and carefully pushing it through. Went ahead and clamped down that clamp. Since it was pretty hard plastic, I believe it's plastic, could be, no, you know what, it's metal. So I went ahead and tightened it down fairly tight. And then what I did notice is we got kind of a situation right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. I'm gonna grab right there. And then with the 3/4 inch, just back it out. Yep, looks like it was leaking. So go ahead and replace that. Okay, now here's our new piece. Went ahead and put some Teflon tape on there. Gonna go ahead and screw that in. Just kind of hold like that. Let's get the wrench the right way. All right, should be good to go. This new piece sticks out a little bit, but it should be fine as long as it's not leaking all the time as it was. Should be good to go. So now what we got to do here is we got to match up. There's this seal that's been ripped. Kind of goes around here. It should be able to hold, so we're just going to go ahead and put it back without it. Okay, and just like before, we're just going to bring it down. Going to match everything up. Make sure it all lines up great. Start putting your screws in. Make sure the washers are still on there. Get them on both sides. See if we can reach over. And again, that's a 7/16. All right. By the way, you can put this fitting without having it in this tank. It just makes it a little easier because you can hold it right here without the tank being in the way. The only thing left to do now is just to go ahead and test this out, fill it up with water, and then go find a nice dirty rug to test it on. Other than that, we're good to go. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time.